What's up, everybody? It's the Haley family here. We are at Terradise Nature Preserve in Marion, Ohio. We're going to go for a little hike and take you along and show you what we see. Does that say Airbnb?
It does say Airbnb.
Oh, must be an Airbnb here. Who would have thought?
I guess.
Huh. Paige, it's a little cold out here, isn't it? Look at the pond. The pond's all frozen.
Yeah, no.
There's nothing wrong with winter hiking.
No.
Oh.
So far the trails are really nice.
But cold.
But cold.
Where did we go?
Oh no.
No, there's a fork.
You pick.
Jigsaw.
There's a fork in the trail. What do we do? You want to go that way, Jake?
Right way is always right.
What is that? What does that say?
Coming soon.
Coming soon.
What?
Wow. Looks like they're extending the trails and stuff. That's pretty cool. Looks like we got to keep going back this way.
Jake said he found something.
What'd you find, dude? Oh, yeah, we got to follow this trail to head back. Because look, did you see the sign over here, dude? The sign says coming soon. It's not finished yet.
He's thinking about it. It's nice.
Okay, go ahead. Do it.
That's fun. That used to be my favorite thing when I was a kid.
Oh no, a sketchy little bridge.
Paige says I'm tested out.
It's not.
It's a huge one. Paige, do you remember what kind of tree this is?
No.
It's an American,
Sycamore.
yeah, American sycamore. This is a big one. You coming, Jake?
It's really
Making
cool.
his way.
Okay.
There's a hole like has like a bunch of ice in it.
Oh yeah?
Look, this one.
Oh.
Tree. It's a tree bum.
Tree bump. What's it got in it?
Ice.
Oh, it does have a bunch of ice in it.
I can't see the banana.
Okay, we're finishing up our hike here at Terradise Nature Preserve. They have some good trails. They aren't covered in stone, so you'll want to make sure to wear hiking boots or shoes you're not afraid to get muddy.
I wore the wrong shoes today.
It's all good though. It's fine.
It's just mud. It's fine. It'll clean up. I can't wait to come here in the spring though, because stuff will be blooming and things will be coming up and everything. So I'm excited to come back when the weather changes.
Yeah, so we'll have to come back when the weather changes. There is a
Let's say hi. Jake wants to say hi. Hi. Say hi, everybody. Okay, let's walk. Come on.
There is a nature preserve. It wasn't open for us. Of course, we're here in the winter time, but in the summertime it should be open, and you could check that out. Other than that, we're going to try to have some more hikes soon, but in the meantime, if you can, get out, have an adventure, and make some memories. Oh, Jake, nasty! Nasty!
Oh, let's go like this, man. Go like this.
All right. Oh, man.
Through the trail, but really muddier.
Yeah.
Because the trails are very muddy.
Well, they're muddy right now because stuff is starting to melt. Yeah.